and welcome back to my channel. This is DailyTech, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to factory reset your PS4 if it has a passcode and you have forgotten it. So if you find yourself at this screen, what you need to do is the next following steps. So the first step is basically turn off your PS4, and then once you are completed with that settings, what you need to do is locate your PS4. Once you see it completely shut off, press and hold the power button on your PS4 for 5 to 10 seconds. Once you see this, go back to the screen. Press right now the power on your controller. It will switch to this settings. I want to fully completely reset it. Press yes. And there you go. Once it comes back on, it will be back to the factory settings. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.